Are you looking to optimize your Magento website hosting for superior performance? Want to learn how to optimally use the server, configuration, and application-level improvements? Today, we will be discussing Magento website hosting. Let's start by understanding what it is. Magento website hosting forms the backbone of your online store's presence on the internet. It includes server and hosting solutions to cater to the specific Magento hosting needs. Now, let's look at how to optimize Magento website hosting at the server level. First, employ a dedicated server. Why? Because it provides the full capacity of resources to Magento, preventing slowdowns that arise from resource sharing. Next, utilize high-performance SSDs. They significantly reduce disk read and write times, resulting in substantial performance gains. Allocate essential resources, at least 2 GB of RAM and a dual-core CPU. Now comes an important step, separating the web and database servers. This segregation improves your website's performance. To smooth operations, set up cron for log maintenance. It keeps your site clutter-free and running smoothly. Implement cache warming via a site crawler to enhance your online store's speed. Redis caching is another smart way to reduce load times and boost online store responsiveness. Implement load balancing to ensure consistent website performance. It evenly distributes traffic across multiple servers. Now, let's move to tips for optimizing Magento hosting at the configuration level. Clean up Magento database logs to maintain database efficiency. Regular virus and malware scans protect your site and customer data from potential threats. Use Magento's built-in caching to improve the page loading times. Enhancing database efficiency can be done by enabling the Use Flat Catalog options. To contribute to the efficiency of your hosting environment, uninstall unused extensions. Limiting products on the overview page to reduce the strain on server resources. For smoother and quicker uploads and downloads, implement secure file transfer protocols. To improve domain resolution times, use a reliable and efficient DNS service. Finally, we'll discuss optimizations at the application level. Specify image dimensions to enhance performance. Avoid CSS at import for faster loading time of your product pages. To enable browsers to use caching efficiently, specify a cache validator. Avoid complex landing pages and URL redirects. Remove query strings from static resources and compress components with gzip. Lastly, avoid 404 errors for a smoother browsing experience. That's a lot of information. Don't worry, the more we implement these, the better our online store will operate. Before wrapping up, consider the key considerations when choosing Magento hosting providers. Prioritize user-friendly domain control panel, regular backups, and smooth migration options. Look for optimization tools and uptime assurance in your hosting provider's offer. Understand the pricing structure well, and choose a plan that aligns with your business. Ensure the data centers of your hosting provider are strategically positioned across different regions. Opt for hosting providers that leverage advanced technologies. Remember the research part. Read customer feedback and hosting provider reviews. We trust you know now how to maximize your Magento website hosting. Remember, a well-optimized website means a more successful online store. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.